In this class we will begin the breakdown of an assembly, creating custom and exploded views in the 3D environment, to later insert into the detail. We will also insert section view and detail. We will use this assembly, which we created in the previous module, so locate it in your files and let's get started. First let's make some definitions in the 3D environment. Set the model view in isometric view by typing Ctrl+7, or by using the appropriate command. See that this view does not show all the components of the assembly, so let's create a view to show them, to add later in the breakdown. To position the set, we use the arrow keys on the keyboard. With the view positioned, we press the space key, click on New View and set the name of the view. Next, we will create an exploded view for this assembly, to show the components separately. We clicked on Exploded View and now just click on the component and drag it along the desired axis, follow up. Alright. Later we will add this view to the breakdown. Now let's create the breakdown. In the File menu, we click on the Make Drawing from Assembly option and choose the Custom Render Multimedia template. Note that the environment for creating breakdowns is the same for both part files and assemblies. We insert the front view through the view palette and the other projected views. See that the default isometric view does not show all the components, so let's replace it with the view we created earlier. We erase this view and drag the view we created from the view palette. We will also insert the exploded view that we have created, also through the view palette. See that by default the isometric is displayed exploded. Since this view does not satisfactorily represent our assembly, we can display the exploded state in another view. We right-click on the view we created and inserted earlier, and click on the option Show in Exploded State. See, now we have all the components shown satisfactorily in the exploded view. Change the exploded view style to shaded with edges. We change the scale of the front view to a defined value. Note that the other projected views are updated automatically because they were created from the front view. Let us create the section view using the command section view. Note that since it is an assembly, a box with some options is opened. We only confirm and the court view is created. Let us enter a detail, using the command detail view, follow up. We finished here this lesson, where we saw how to start the breakdown of an assembly, creating custom view and exploded view. In the next class we will continue to detail this assembly, do not miss it.